In this video, we dive deep into the wonders of yarrow, Achillea millefolium, a powerhouse herb with incredible medicinal uses. Plant identification: yarrow, scientifically known as Achillea millefolium, is a perennial herbaceous plant from the Asteraceae family. It is easily recognizable by its feathery, fern-like leaves and clusters of small white to pinkish flowers. The plant typically grows to about 2-3 feet in height. The leaves are finely divided and give the plant a delicate, lacy appearance. The flowers form flat-topped clusters and bloom from early summer to fall. Growth and habitat: yarrow is native to temperate regions of the Northern Hemisphere, including North America, Europe, and Asia. It thrives in a variety of habitats such as grasslands, meadows, roadsides, and open forests. Yarrow prefers well-drained soil and can grow in full sun to partial shade. Harvesting: yarrow can be harvested throughout its growing season, but the optimal time to collect it is during its peak flowering period, typically between June and September. To harvest yarrow, cut the stems about 1-2 inches above the ground, ideally in the morning after the dew has dried. Both the leaves and flowers can be used, so it is best to gather the upper parts of the plant where the leaves and flowers are most abundant. Edible uses: while yarrow is more commonly known for its medicinal properties, it also has some edible uses. The young leaves can be added to salads, soups, and stews for a mildly bitter aromatic flavor. Yarrow can also be used to brew tea, which has a pleasant, slightly astringent taste. Medicinal uses: please note, it's important to understand that information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Internal and external bleeding: yarrow is a powerful styptic, meaning it can stop bleeding. For external bleeding, fresh yarrow leaves can be crushed and applied directly to the wound. Internally, yarrow tea can help to reduce bleeding from the gastrointestinal tract. Bruises, sprains, and swelling: yarrow has anti-inflammatory properties that make it effective in treating bruises, sprains, and swelling. A poultice made from fresh or dried yarrow can be applied to the affected area to reduce pain and inflammation. Hemorrhoids: the astringent and anti-inflammatory properties of yarrow make it useful for treating hemorrhoids. A yarrow sitz bath or a poultice can help reduce swelling and pain. Antibacterial and antifungal: yarrow has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it effective in treating minor infections and preventing infection in wounds. Fevers, colds, and measles: yarrow tea is a traditional remedy for fevers, colds, and measles. It promotes sweating, which helps to reduce fever and expel toxins from the body. Menstrual issues: yarrow is known for its ability to regulate menstrual cycles and reduce heavy bleeding. It can also help alleviate menstrual cramps. Dental pain: yarrow can be used as a natural remedy for dental pain. Chewing on fresh yarrow leaves or applying a yarrow tincture to the affected area can help numb the pain. Mastitis: yarrow's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help treat mastitis. A poultice or compress can be applied to the infected breast tissue to reduce pain and inflammation. Anxiety and relaxation without sedation: yarrow has mild sedative properties that can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation without causing drowsiness. Drinking yarrow tea can help calm the nerves and relieve stress. Please note, yarrow should not be ingested during pregnancy, as it can stimulate uterine contractions and potentially lead to miscarriage. Yarrow tea. Ingredients: 1-2 teaspoons of dried yarrow leaves and flowers. 2. 1 cup of boiling water. Instructions: 1. Place the dried yarrow in a teapot or cup. 2. Pour the boiling water over the yarrow. 3. Cover and let steep for 10-15 minutes. 4. Strain and enjoy. Sweeten with honey if desired. Yarrow oil. Ingredients: 1. Fresh yarrow leaves and flowers. 2. Olive oil or another carrier oil. Instructions: 1. Fill a clean, dry jar with fresh yarrow. 2. Pour the carrier oil over the yarrow, making sure it is completely covered. 3. Seal the jar and place it in a sunny window for 2-3 weeks. 4. Shake the jar daily to ensure the yarrow is thoroughly infused. 5. Strain the oil through a cheesecloth and store it in a dark, cool place. Yarrow salve. Ingredients: 1 cup yarrow infused oil. 2 1 ounce beeswax. 3 optional, a few drops of essential oil for fragrance. Instructions. 1. In a double boiler, gently heat the yarrow-infused oil and beeswax until the beeswax is completely melted. 2. Remove from heat and add essential oil if using. 3. Pour the mixture into clean, dry containers and let cool completely. 4. Store in a cool, dark place. Use as needed for cuts, bruises, and skin irritations. Yarrow is a versatile and valuable herb with a wide range of medicinal uses. From stopping bleeding to treating infections and reducing anxiety, yarrow has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. By understanding how to identify, harvest, and use yarrow, you can incorporate this powerful herb into your natural medicine cabinet.